Yeah, man, almost overslept, man. This is my first Saturday off in months, like literally months. This is my first Saturday off. So I end up forgetting my camera at home, waking up, rushing out. I'm thinking it's gonna be a long ass line. And I'm like, oh, it's snowing. You know, people is right here. They here, but they is waiting in their cars because it's snowing. And this is the Rookie of the Year release. And also the Union Jordan 1s are releasing online too. So people are probably gonna be trying to go after them Union 1s. So I should get a pair of them Rookie of the Years online. I'm at Foot Locker right now, and they first come, first serve. So it don't look like it's that many people here. So I should be getting my size and those. And I'll probably line up like 15 minutes till, 10 minutes till, something like that. But yeah, man, slight little car camp, ain't nothing major. They said these should be available, so that's why I ain't jumped the gun to get no early pair, to get no early review and all that. You know, people was charging out the roof, $400 for these and shit. $350, that's shit. $50 you paying plus shipping and shit. That's down at $400 still. So, anyways, man, I'll let y'all see how this line looking, or I just picked the pair, man. See y'all at the crib. Gang. Yeah. Happy birthday with the dub. Let's go. It's snowing right here now. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's going down. That's why I ain't really do the line. But it's in. Look though. This is a double up, baby. If y'all not following me on my Instagram, y'all need to go ahead and do that, because I just copped off Sneakers app and I just copped in Foot Locker. So double up. You feel me? Now I'm on my way to the crib, man. Give y'all this review, man. See y'all in a little bit, man. Gang. Yeah, I had to go get that motherfucking camera thing, but yes, sir, man. Man, they did not have that many pairs, man. They did not have that many pairs of these. Madison, Illinois got like 5 pairs, man. I'm telling you. They did not have that many pairs of these, man. Luckily, got in there. Everybody in there was like looking for 10s. They sold out in 10s, 10.5, and 11s. And like the first, like 6 people, they sold out. So they ain't had that many pairs. Luckily, I got my pair, man. Y'all already know what these is, boy. Y'all on my IG, y'all know what these is. But let me go ahead and go to the shoe room, let y'all see what I just copped, boy. And it's a double up, too, at that. I hit on Sneakers app, too. Let's go. Yo, so real quick, if you don't know, I don't really drop on Saturdays or Sundays because that's just my time to, you know, chill out, refresh my memory, you know, give it a little break. But today is my birthday and I just got a dope double up. So, man, comment happy birthday to me down below, man. November 17th, Scorpio, stand up. Small feet gang, stand up. And let's get straight into it, man. Yo! What's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man. It's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another. I've been like really like slight camp out, copped anything from Finish Line or any store in months. All my pickups has been online. Waiting for them to get shipped in because I do not get Saturdays off work. I work 6 days a week, literally 6 days a week. So I have to cop online or I have to pay resale, one of the others, or pre-orders. But you know, but I haven't really copped nothing on and like this in a long time. So not finna talk y'all ears off, man. And without further ado, y'all see Foot Locker bag. Feel that long ass receipt that they give you, and I think I got some coupons or something too. And these are no other than Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, Golden Harvest, and Black Sail. Here y'all go with the tag. Wow, there y'all go with the tag. Flip this young lid. You see the stamp. Of course, y'all know where these come from, man. Y'all seen me. Woo. Now let me stop playing though. And bling, wow, burr on the shoes, man. Ooh, oh, ain't no loving me. But yes, man, it feels good to actually like go out and cop stuff. It's like a certain feel when you actually go out there and you put the footwork in to cop the shoes versus you going online and hurry up and on your phone. Like it's a different feel. It like you appreciate the shoe more because it's like, man, I was just cold for 20-30 minutes for a couple hours, a whole day. I was just freezing for these shoes. You appreciate the shoe a little bit better. And these are clean. These is dope, man. Let me take these shoe trees out. I definitely got to do a lace swap with one of them. As y'all know, I do all my Jordan 1s like that. All my Jordan 1s have to have 2 different colors in the shoestring. I'm sorry, that's just how I always wore Jordan 1s. Like, that's just what it is. And as y'all know, you got the spare laces right here on the left shoe. Spare lace system, all red joints. And so we're gonna do the review on the right shoe because this is always usually the free one. Wow. Here go that shoe that go. Let me make sure that's focused on the. Let me get y'all that full 360 of the shoe all the way around. Man, just doing a full 360, these is buttery. Like crazy. Dang. Now let's get straight into the toe box, man. As you can see, let me make sure this focused. Let me get up close. This toe box is buttery. This toe box is buttery. It already come with that little spider effect on it. This kind of remind me of those Barcelona 5s almost. Like this had the Barcelona 5s came, but this is way softer than the Barcelona 5s. And you know around the toe cap you got that. You got some motions. You got some motions in there. But you have that buttery butter. I still can't believe it's not butter nubuck on here, man. I still can't believe it's not butter nubuck on here. Going all the way around the toe cap, up all the way through the lace holding system. And as you know, on this one, they have the little flap right here. Rookie of the year, his stats. And on the other flap, they have the speech he did when he won the Rookie of the Year. Yes, okay, let me see. Right flap. The right flap reads 1984 to 85 Rookie of the Year. 2313 points. 2,313 points. 28.2 points per game. For a Rookie of the Year, for a rookie, that's a lot of points. Like rookies don't even be doing that nowadays. Like they don't even be getting ticked like that unless you like coming out the gate like LeBron James or something. But still, that's crazy points. And on the left side, it says this award is nice, but I just feel it is important for each individual to go out and contribute to his team. That's what MJ said. Very brief. It was kind of that was kind of brief for a Rookie of the Year. You know, people be going crazy nowadays for those. Get back into the shoe, man. Side panel, buttery. Even the swoosh. Even the swoosh is buttery. Like you get the spider effect going all the way around. The swoosh is super buttery. Now I don't own shattered backboards, you know, so I can't say, oh, this is shattered backboard material. But yeah, man, these is definitely on the one of the top buttery sides of Jordan 1s. No lie. The swoosh is crazy though. Like, you don't really get too many tumble swooshes like this. With the side panel being tumbled too. This is crazy. And the nubuck is consistent all the way around. Like, it's buttery all the way around. You know how some pairs it'd be like buttery in the front, and you get to the back, you have that ashy feel. This is very consistent going all the way around. And of course, OG high, you have that Nike Air on the tongue. Standard Jordan 1 tongue. Nothing special about the tongue. This Nike Air, this red Nike Air really helps the shoe like pop out a little bit, honestly. And standard lace system. You know, this how Jordan 1s come laced up, but the laces that come in the shoe are the all black ones. So one will be all black and one will stay. And one will be changed to red. In the inside, little Nike Air hint on the inside. And all black insole is that Harvest, that gold Harvest colorway. I think they say it was. Or Harvest, whatever. Whichever one. And these right here, honestly, is a fall shoe. And they go well with like people that love Timbs. Like, if you love Timbs, you definitely can like rock with these. Like, you got a lot of stuff in like Timberland colorways and stuff. You can definitely rock with these. And on the side, of course, you have that wing Air Jordan Wings logo right here. And you know, they really like doing this little off-white vibe though. Like the little flap right there on both sides. They really like this off-white, man. Virgil definitely dropped some sauce on them. And look though, look the leather on the top though. Like, this whole shoe is plush. Like, look at the leather at the top of this. Real soft and plush. Real soft and plush. And this is an actual double up. I hit on, if you didn't know, I hit on Sneakers app. You know, that was a quick happy birthday for me. Then went into the store and copped these. Double happy birthday for me. And I got a tattoo recently. Yeah, man, this whole little thing right here all tatted up. And I gotta start working on the back. I got one tattoo right here, one right there. I gotta finish it off, man, before I hit my 30s. Cause once I hit 30s, it's over. Nah, I'm just playing. Nothing special about the outsole of the shoe. All black. You have that Nike right here, that swoosh. Nothing special about the outsole of the shoe. Regular sock liner. But yeah, man, my honest opinion about the shoe, y'all already know. Y'all can tell. You know, I doubled up on them. You know, it is what it is. And that's it for the video, man. For real. This, like, I'm happy because I actually got to put the footwork in to get these. That's exactly why I'm happy, like, for real. But anyways, man, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, sneaker pickup, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.